Hi. So, I have officially reached day 13. Yes. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry to myself, not you, because I know you don't give a shit. I'm sorry because I missed a day क्योंकि कल काफी hectic day था and I just couldn't record them. Today morning also there were like so many con calls. Surprisingly, I'm suddenly busy, which is weird क्योंकि मैं life में इतना कभी busy रहा नहीं हूँ, but that's good. That's good. So I was actually just reviewing, 12 दिनों का thing, and I was self-critic, giving reviews to myself कि क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है, not बुरा, like what can be improved. And I realized that first thing, I have made a huge step towards actually doing this. Starting 12 days ago, I would be shit scared and I would just be thinking कि करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. So that is good. Self motivation. Second thing, I realized that now I'm not that afraid of speaking in front of this, which is also a win. 9 months. इतने में बच्चे हो जाते हैं लोगों के और मेरी फटी पड़ी थी ये वो करने के लिए. तो अब मैंने सीख दिया है. So I'm good. Next cheese, I realized that I'm putting too much pressure on myself to come up with like stuff or like to talk stuff without prompts instantly. It's good in a way because initially it was good, because that means I could just do anything. But now this means that, fine, I got my shit sorted and अब मैं normally I can probably practice, I can probably write something, I can probably do something. That would work fine. Now that fear of camera shyness, camera consciousness is gone. Next, I realized that it's not as scary as I thought it was. So that's a self-note. Okay, just go do whatever the fuck you want to. Just do it. I hope if you're seeing this, I know 3 people are. तो I encourage you कि कुछ जिस चीज से डर लग रहा है वो करो. मतलब मैंने अचार खाना चालू किया simply because मेरी इतनी फटी थी. Like मुझे लगता था कि मैं पिछले जन्म में अचार से मरा हूँ. Like बचपन से मैं अचार से नफरत करता था. इतना कि अगर वो मेरे प्लेट में पड़ा हो तो मैं वो प्लेट से खाना नहीं खाता था. But then I was like, that is spoiling my experience and I want my experience to be nice. I decided to do everything that annoys me, everything that I dislike. That includes, cleaning bathrooms, eating achar, talking with strangers, doing everything that I dislike. Everything that even means using Windows computers. The point was to get discomfortable. So, usme you kind of realize, that, your experience changes. Dares are good. I used to do a lot of dares, but it's not about daring. It's just about letting it. So self-note again. I think this has been a success for me. I can now be nice, free. I can talk. I can look into this. I can look here. I can do random shit, which is good. Future Simran, I'm glad you did this. I'm glad you went ahead. I read this somewhere, if you change by 1% every day, 365% better than what you were. Yes, ज़्यादा motivation life में हो रहा है. But this is good. We need it. I need it. I don't know if you need it. Fuck you. This is fun. Hopefully, I'll be trying out more stuff. I honestly don't know. See, my dilemma is कि मैं बात करूं. पहली बात कौन सुनेगा? So दूसरी बात क्यों सुनेगा? तीसरी बात what? So yeah, this is more of a retrospective, introspective kind of a video. And I cannot tell you the amount that I have grown. I can feel it personally. कि पहले इस कैमरे में देख के मेरी फटती थी पर अब नहीं हो रहा है वो, which is amazing dude, which is amazing, like you have no idea. Now the thing is, I don't know, something next, we'll figure out what is next. Hopefully you'll stay with me. If not, sad to see you go, but it's alright. Yeah, sorry if today's was not as interesting as the other ones. I'll see you tomorrow.